Mmm. Welcome back to Angie's Table. So today, I know I'm like in a weird bun. My hair is so long, so that bun gets higher and bigger. It's like different shades. I didn't shower, so that's why I have it on in a bun. I forgot to shower. I don't know why I'm sharing this with you guys. For some reason, our cabinet lights aren't working, so the kitchen looks a little different. But today, we are gonna be making two types of kimchi. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a fresh cut kimchi, which is called 겉절이, and also some 생채. It is a radish kimchi, but not a 깍두기 square cube shape, but the things that you would put into your bibimbap. So I decided on this because Grace and I have talked about Pachinko, which is a book that we have read, and they're actually coming out with a drama series on Apple TV with Imino in it and Yoon Jung. I feel like we talk about Yoon Jung a lot on this channel because she was on Yoon's Day and we did a whole series on this. They are coming out with the TV series, and Sunja, who is the main character in the novel, she actually sold kimchi on the streets of Japan. So we thought we can take this time to teach you guys how to make kimchi and talk a little bit about Pachinko and this upcoming drama. So let's go and check out these ingredients. So now we're gonna work on our 무생채, which is the radish kimchi. So prepare half of a daikon radish, and I just peel the outsides. Are you excited for the Pachinko series? I don't have Apple TV. Probably you do though, right?
Yeah, I have.
I'll probably just like watch it with you.
Yeah. I love Imino.
You know, in Airs, I liked Kim Woo-bin. I kind of like the guy that's not always like nice, but the guy who is mean on the outside but nice on the inside.
Yeah, that was Imino.
No? Imino was just like nice. You used to like Imino a lot.
Yeah, he was my favorite. I still like him.
I like Kim Woo-bin a lot, and Park Seo-joon. Yeah, I think I kind of like the guys that like don't talk a lot because I do all the talking.
So weird. But the cast seems really good for Pachinko.
Yeah, I don't know who the girl is though.
I don't either.
But she was kind of like, if you look at the trailer, she was kind of as I imagined.
To look like.
Yeah, to look like when I was reading the book. I should really finish that book.
Oh yeah, you haven't finished it.
No, I have not.
I love the book.
If you guys have not read Pachinko, I would highly suggest reading it maybe before the drama series. If you're gonna watch it, I feel like everyone's gonna be watching Pachinko. Now, let's add the radish. This too. 2 tablespoons of anchovy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Korean red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'll put gloves on and give it a mix. Wow, that looks good. This is how easy it is. We were done in literally minutes. So this is a very easy kimchi to make. I think this is actually the easiest. If you want to add this with like a hot bowl of rice and fried egg with some sesame oil, oh my god, it is so good. It is game over. We're gonna need 1 napa cabbage, and we're gonna take out the outer green leaves. And we're actually gonna cut this into 4s, just like this. Take out the inner like core of it. So these are smaller pieces and these are good. But when it comes to the bigger ones, like I think this is slightly big. Like this is even okay. But if you guys don't feel comfortable with doing like these kind of cuts with no base or foundation, then you can just do it on the cutting board too. Now we're gonna actually wash it, and I like to cut it and then wash it because then I feel like the water would get in between the cabbages and actually clean it as opposed to just rinsing the outer layers. Now we're gonna be going into a phase where we extract the water from the cabbage and make it a little flimsy, and it looks kind of dead to me in a sense. And this kind of coarse sea salt you can find at a Korean grocery store. It's just very coarse and thick. And let's have that submerged in some water, add the cabbage in, and we'll let that sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 한국, which means Korea. I feel like most Koreans have a lot of Korean pride, even if you were born here. And I know World Cup season, is it this year? I think it's this year. Yeah, World Cup 2022. Even if it's the Olympics, and even if I'm an American citizen, I still think deep inside I root for Korea. This is how I got into soccer. I don't play soccer, I just like watching soccer. But during the World Cup, I saw how excited everyone got. Like my dad, I've never seen him actually jump. Like I didn't know he was physically able to jump, but he was jumping and he was so happy. I've never seen all his teeth before because he was so happy, and I think that made me happy. I think ever since then I am super into soccer and love all these Korean things. I actually think I loved like Korean things ever since I was young. Music or dramas or actors and actresses, like I know it better than Hollywood actors and actresses. So yes, today's word of the day is 한국, which means Korea. As you can see, it really wilted and died down. So let's go and rinse this in a strainer. Now I'm just gonna let this sit and drain out for about 5 minutes. Now let's make the sauce in the meantime. So I was actually gonna do this kimchi thing with my mom, but she was really tired and I don't know if she really likes being on camera. So I just decided to do it by myself. But my family likes to make their own kimchi, and it's usually my mom who does it and just like gives it to everyone. But it's a lot of hard work. So I wanted to teach you guys how to do like the actual fermented kimchi part, but I don't actually really know how to do it. I just know how to do these things where it's a little bit more like on the go, really fast. So this is why I'm teaching you guys this. But once I learn it from my mom, maybe in the future we can do an actual kimchi video / vlog. There's something about homemade kimchi that is just always better.
Wait, you trying to snap?
Yeah. Why?
So wispy.
Just gonna wipe this off with the cabbage. Now let's mix all this. And you can add some salt to taste. Should we try the chanamer first?
So good, so fresh.
You like the seasoning?
It's like sweet and crunchy.
Very fresh
Really
cut,
fresh.
right?
Yeah, it just tastes really fresh.
I love chanamer. It's seriously the best in bibimbap. Like my family, when we do bibimbap for dinner, that's like all we'll put in it. Just the radish kimchi, rice, egg, and 참기름 and gochujang. 참기름 is sesame oil, but that's like all we ever need.
That's so good.
Grace is already holding up her spoonful of kimchi.
I'm ready for kimchi.
How's 겉절이?
Oh god. Fresh though. I forgot how much I love fresh kimchi.
I really like fresh kimchi with kalguksu. You can make it. It's really not that hard.
Yeah, I can probably make this.
Fresh kimchi is not only healthy for you, but it's really easy, and it's a very good banchan to make.
How long can you keep fresh kimchi in your fridge for?
겉절이 doesn't really go that long.
Oh, okay.
It's not like kimchi, so it's a little different. But I would say like a week.
Maybe a week.
Maybe a week.
Okay. Stay.
So I think we have to go because she's whining. So I hope you guys make this. I hope it was of some help to you guys, and we'll see you guys on our next video.